All right, so I just added all these blocks to the. Can you guys sit down? Hello, hello. Can you do me a favor? Number one, can you throw this away? And then after you throw that away, can you please sit down? Start working on your app. Thank you. All right. So what I want to do here is I want to hit this play button. Correct? I want it to start a timer, which is going to start this animate sprite, and then this ball is going to start moving around the screen. You with me? Okay. She's at the assembly. You're welcome. All right, so when I hit play, right, I want to turn my timer on, so clock animate sprite is going to be turned on. We want to enable that to true. Actually, do I need to do this? I'm thinking here. Do I need to do this? Actually, I don't need to do this. Okay, I don't actually need a timer to move the ball. So when I click play, I'm going to go ahead and just create a procedure called start ball in motion. Okay, I'm going to go back to my procedures. When they click play, they're going to start the ball in motion. And then down here, you just go into your image sprite ball. And I want it to set its heading direction. I want to set its speed. And I want to set its interval. You need these three things for motion: which way you're heading, how fast you're going, okay, and what the time interval is. So your heading, you can go in here and do a math.random, and you can get a 0 heading between 0 and 359 degrees. Okay. You can get a random speed somewhere between 10 and 25 pixels per tick of time. Okay, welcome those students who are walking in, coming from the assembly. I showed the students how to do RAD. There's a video out there on YouTube on how to RAD, if you guys want to go catch that quick video. If you want to talk with your captain real quick on how to RAD, you can do that. This guy is going to go at 50 milliseconds. Okay, this is not right. Are we doing Sprite Smash or Sound Decision? Okay, so this is correct. All right, I just started to get my two classes mixed up. Sound Decision, the ball is going to go and hit and bounce off the walls. All right? Are you guys with me on that? So this ball starts in motion. All right? And then what you want to do down here is take this ball, image sprite tennis ball, and there is an edge reached. And when the ball hits an edge, you need to do an if statement. So you want to say if an edge is reached. No, you don't want to do this. Once again, I'm getting confused with my two apps that I'm doing. If the ball reaches an edge, what should the ball do when it hits an edge? Bounce. So you go back to the ball and you tell the ball to bounce, and I want you to bounce off that edge. All right, so let's go ahead and connect this, and let's see if this runs. So I'm going to go ahead and scan it in. I'm loading up my app. It's landscaped. Okay, and that ball bounces off of the screen. That's correct. My ball is now bouncing off the screen. Okay. For some reason, my GUI is a little whacked out. Let me go see why. Something is wrong with this lower arrangement. The height is automatic. I don't know why it's acting like my screen 1 is scrollable. I don't want it to be scrollable. Okay, I don't want my screen to be scrollable. You're starting a new project today. There's a video out there on how to do it. There's a video out there on how to do it. Go to YouTube. I can't help it that you had an assembly today, right? So that's why I make videos. You guys can go to videos and watch video. This is the second one I'm making. I've already posted number 1 out there on how to rad. There's only 5 minutes left in the class, so there's not a whole lot you're going to be able to do anyway. Yeah, let me see if it works. Let me see if I can get this GUI right. Okay, so that looks pretty good there. You guys with me on that? And now, if you guys want to start playing sounds, 5 minutes left, all you have to do is an if statement. Okay? You come up here, do an if, and you're going to say, okay, if, by the way, the edge is a mathematical number, right? So if the edge is equal to edge 1, right? If it's equal to edge 1, then can I play sound 1? Okay. By the way, did we not put sounds in here? No, we didn't. So we need to go to our media player, and I need sound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 sounds. Okay. And then I'm going to go up here, and when they hit edge 1, I want it to play sound 1. You just go to sound 1 and hit play. And then you can go into here and do an else if. Okay. So that's a bunch there. Okay, so I have if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 6, 7, 8. I need 8 more edges, and now I can just come down here, copy and paste this. This is going to be edge number 2. Are you guys with me on this? You guys see what I'm doing? See how easy this is? Hit edge number 3, duplicate this, hit edge number 4. The golden question of the day is there edge number 5? Is there an edge 5? No. What edge is there after 4? -1. So you got to put a -1 in there. Okay? And then you're just going to come down here, copy and paste this, edge -2, right? Edge -3, okay? And this is edge -4, okay? Now, from a developer's point of view, if you don't have your sound set up yet, then what I would do is just go to text-to-speech, have her come on and say which edge you just hit, okay? And I'm going to say edge -4, all right? And then I'm just going to do this copy and paste, okay? Now she hit edge -3. You guys see what I'm doing? I can use text-to-speech to my advantage until I get all my sounds in place. And maybe over the weekend, you guys want to go to you guys want to go and download Audacity at home. You can download Audacity and make your own sounds. So that's cool. Okay. Then this is just going to say edge 4. Edge 4, right? This is going to say edge 3. This is going to say edge 2. It's a lot of copying and pasting. Are you guys noticing that coding is a lot of copying and pasting? It's a lot of the same stuff. It's not that hard. Once you get one set in place and you like the way it's working, copy and paste and get the other ones to work that way. Okay, I'm probably going to disable this block of code, this sound block, until I get my sound in there. Are you with me? Right now, I don't have my 8 sounds set up. You guys over the weekend need to get your 8 sounds set up. Okay, have a great weekend. You guys can play this video on Monday. I'll see you on Tuesday.